This is the Galaxy Active Watch. It was released last year, and so is it worth it now? Stick around for my full review of the Galaxy Active Watch 1 year later to know how this sleek watch holds up. Hey guys, what's up? This is Philip's Future. Welcome back to the channel. I hope you're staying safe wherever you are. Merry Christmas guys, and continue staying safe. If you're new here, I make tech videos just like this one, so hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications for more future videos. Now that is out of the way, let's get started. Pairing with my phone was easier and quicker. I don't think I'd say the same for Wear OS. You might know or not know yet that Galaxy Active Watch does not run on Wear OS. It runs on Samsung's One UI based on Tizen Wearable OS, so you have to download Samsung's Wearable app plus some other 2 plugins from Play Store or App Store depending on your platform for the pairing process to be successful. The app has more features that lets you tweak the watch, so you spend less time on that 1.1-inch display of the Galaxy Active Watch, which would be hell for you if you have big fingers. Samsung has its own watch face library with a ton of beautiful watch faces within the app, plus most of the watch faces uses gyroscope for motion animations. Samsung has done a good job tweaking the OS. It's colorful, and actually I like it more compared to the boring Wear OS. Icons are colorful, settings and menus are well organized, plus apps are also well arranged in a circular manner for easier reachability. One disadvantage is apps are limited, not like Wear OS, but if you're someone like me who doesn't use many apps on a watch, then you'll just be fine. It has useful apps though, plus some other third-party apps like Spotify, so that won't be a big deal for many. At only 25 grams without the bands, which are 20mm by the way, the Galaxy Active Watch is almost weightless. You won't feel like you're putting a heavy metal on your wrist, plus that 40mm size of the watch makes it even smaller. This is the rose gold option, but you can get other colors if you don't like this one. Its compact form factor forces it to have a smaller display at just 1.1 inches, but it's a sharp one at 360 by 360 pixels. 302 ppi on such a small display is just nuts because you won't see any kind of pixelation whatsoever. On the other hand, it's a Super AMOLED display, so you get that true blacks that also helps saving some battery life. Talking about battery, this watch has more than average battery life from its 230 mAh even in 2020. On a single charge, I tend to get 2 days of usage, keeping in mind my Bluetooth is on most of the times. I reply to most notifications directly from the watch, plus it's always tracking my workouts. On the charging side, it takes about 2 hours to fully charge via that magnetic wireless charger that comes with it. It can also charge wirelessly from other compatible devices like the Samsung Galaxy S10 because it has reverse wireless charging feature, so it's a bonus for you if you own a Galaxy S10 or above. One of the biggest reasons one would pick this watch is the fitness tracking capabilities that this compact watch offers. There's an optical heart rate scanner at the bottom that tracks your heartbeat. It's also used to measure your stress, at least that's what they claim. I don't think it gets the measurements accurate sometimes, but it gets the job done anyway. It also does a good job tracking other workouts like running, sleeping, and all the data is synced with Samsung Health app for more statistics. You can also take it for a swim because it's IP68 rated, so no worries about dropping it in water or taking a shower with it. Performance on this watch is amazing. With just 768 MB of RAM. You don't expect that much, but it's been a snappier watch for the time I've been using it. Apps launch in time, scrolling and navigating through the OS has also been smoother than expected. It packs 4 gigs of storage, so you can add more apps and also save photos directly from your phone. This is something I haven't seen on my Wear OS TicWatch E, so it's a big win for the Galaxy Active to directly save photos without using another third-party application. About pricing, you can pick one app right now from Samsung's website for $139 or on Amazon for $119 if you pick this rose gold option. Keep in mind it was launched with a price tag of $200, so for almost 30% off, it's a good pick for what you're getting. It comes with a sharper display, better performance, smaller form factor, a ton of fitness tracking capabilities, and it just looks good on my opinion. It also packs NFC, and if you use Samsung Pay, you also get it with the Galaxy Active Watch. One downside is that it does not have any speakers but only a microphone for your voice replies and commands. Talking about voice commands, actually Bixby proved to be a reliable voice assistant every time I triggered it. So should you buy it? I mean, you've seen what it offers, and for that price, I think it's a great pick. If you wanna pick one, I'll leave a link below the like button, so check it out. Let me know what your thoughts are about this watch, or if you already have one, and let's have a chat. That's it guys, thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed watching. If you did, drop a like, subscribe to the channel, and hit that bell icon so you don't miss any of my future videos. Anyway, until next time guys, goodbye, Merry Christmas, and most of all, stay safe.